Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the best in beauty and lifestyle products to help you create a beautiful home and life. Today, we're taking a closer look at something a little different, but just as important, an area rug. This is the Loloi 2 Heidi Collection Heidi 02 area rug, measuring 7 feet 6 inches by 9 feet 6 inches, in a sage and multicolor rectangular design. It's a machine-made 0.13-inch thick rug, crafted from polyester, designed to bring traditional motifs into a modern setting. This rug is power-loomed, which means it's made with advanced weaving technology that creates intricate designs you wouldn't normally get from handcrafting, but with the added benefit of durability and long-lasting color retention. The sage base color with multicolor accents makes it versatile for different decor styles, adding a subtle yet sophisticated touch to any room. Just a heads up, like many rugs, it might arrive with temporary creases that need a little time to settle, and to keep those colors vibrant, it's best to avoid placing it in direct sunlight. A rug pad is recommended to keep it from slipping and enhance comfort. In my experience, incorporating this rug into my living space was straightforward. The size is quite generous, perfect for larger rooms or creating defined areas in open-plan living. The texture feels soft yet durable underfoot, definitely something that can withstand daily foot traffic without losing its charm. Because it's polyester, cleaning and maintenance are fairly simple, which is a major plus if you want something practical but still stylish. I tried it with and without a rug pad, and the pad definitely helps with stability and prolongs the rug's life by reducing friction with the floor. A strong point here is the quality you get for the price. Power-loomed rugs can sometimes feel a bit synthetic or stiff, but this one strikes a good balance, soft enough for comfort, but robust enough to handle wear and tear. The colors held up well even after some light cleaning and regular use. One downside could be the thinness. At 0.13 inches, it's not the plushest option out there, so if you're looking for something cushy, this might not be it. Also, keep in mind the need for a rug pad for added comfort and safety. As for value, this rug sits in an affordable range for what it offers. Polyester is budget-friendly and generally resilient, but it won't give you the luxury feel of wool or natural fibers. If you want something more plush or organic, you'd pay quite a bit more, so this is a good middle ground for everyday use without breaking the bank. Comparing the Heidi collection to other machine-made polyester rugs, it stands out for its detailed pattern and color depth, thanks to the power loom technique, over more basic designs that can look flat or less refined. That said, if you want higher-end materials or artisanal craftsmanship, you'll need to look toward handmade or natural fiber rugs, which come with a heftier price tag. The packaging and build quality feel solid for the price point. The edges are well finished, which means less chance of fraying early on. Polyester also tends to resist stains better than some natural fibers, making this rug a practical choice for homes with pets or kids. No personal experience with Loloi customer support, but the brand generally has a good reputation for responsiveness if you run into any issues. If budget is a concern, there are other polyester rugs with simpler designs that come cheaper, but they often lack the same detailed aesthetics and durability. On the flip side, upgrading to wool or blended fiber rugs gives you more luxury, but at a much higher investment. So this rug is a smart pick if you want style, durability, and easy maintenance rolled into one affordable package. In summary, the Loloi 2 Heidi Collection rug offers a nicely balanced blend of classic design and modern construction. It's not for someone seeking plush softness or natural materials, but fits perfectly if you want a durable yet visually appealing rug that complements contemporary decor without stretching your budget. If your space needs a splash of subtle color and pattern with practical wear, this is a solid option to consider. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried the Loloi Heidi rug or have other favorite area rugs, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.